Yeah, I'm serious. And you know, I didn't really believe it until I started working at Arby's.
That's where they all go.
I know, dude.
They all flock there to get like roast beef.
And a cup of cheddar. And a stick of butter.
Yo, it's the ugliest clientele I've ever seen in my life. They're like zombies in there.
Yo, yeah, not only are they like zombies, but when they look at the menu, they look like they're looking up at a UFO or something. They're all pointing and like gasping. Look at, oh my God, how much beef there is. Look, it's all rotating with weird lights.
8 pounds of roast beef between 2 pieces of bread.
Oh, 1,000% of my daily allowance for sodium intake.
Fucking tic-tac like a bitch on that thing.